Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you turn off Snapchat notification for a specific person or for a one person. Now then, to begin with, open the Snapchat application and log into your account. So as you're logged into your Snapchat account, click on the chat icon from the bottom of the page. Then you have to go ahead and look for a person or the contact from which you want to go ahead and turn off notification. Now, for example, I'm gonna go for this. Let's see, this is the person. Then you want to long press onto it and go to chats and notification settings. When you go to the chats and notification, there you have these notifications. You could simply toggle the button for mute call, mute chat, notification sounds, all that, and click on the done button. And with that being said, you'll have successfully turned off Snapchat notification for that specific person. So this way you could do it so. And if you're unable to find the following option, you might try updating your application, and that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.